The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. It's where meals are prepared, conversations flow, and memories are created. However, a cluttered kitchen can quickly turn this vital space into a source of stress and frustration. Imagine opening a drawer only to find it jammed with mismatched utensils, or searching for a spice in a chaotic cabinet. These common kitchen clutter problems can sap your energy and slow you down. A well-organized kitchen, on the other hand, offers numerous benefits. First, it increases efficiency. When everything has its place, you can easily find what you need without wasting time. This is particularly important when cooking complex meals where timing is crucial. Second, a tidy kitchen reduces stress. Knowing that you won't face a mess when you open a drawer or cabinet allows you to focus on the joy of cooking rather than the chaos. Lastly, an organized kitchen improves your overall cooking experience. Imagine the ease of moving through your kitchen with confidence, knowing exactly where everything is. This can not only make cooking more enjoyable, but can also inspire you to try new recipes and techniques. In summary, kitchen organization is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a functional and peaceful space that enhances your daily life. So, why does kitchen organization matter? It matters because it transforms your kitchen from a chaotic mess into a harmonious, efficient, and stress-free environment. By tackling common clutter problems and embracing the benefits of organization, you can elevate your kitchen experience to a new level.